In an editing software like Premiere Pro, a keyframe is a frame used to indicate the beginning and or the end of the change made to a parameter. Now let me do an example inside of Premiere Pro to show you what this means. On the timeline currently, we have a random clip with a graphic of my channel motto on top of it. If I give this a playback, you can see that the slogan zooms in, and that's done with two simple keyframes. So when I select the slogan layer and go to Effect Controls, you can see that there are two linear keyframes visible on the timeline. And when I move the playhead to the first keyframe, you can see that the scale value is at 100%. And if I go forward to the next keyframe by clicking on this Go to Next Keyframe arrow, which by the way is a very useful way to jump between keyframes, you can see that the scale value is now 200%. Basically, the zoom in animation is scaling the slogan up from 100% to 200%. Pretty straightforward and simple. And if I open up the properties by clicking this arrow, you can see the scaling that's taking place is represented inside the graph. This graph can be very helpful to do more complex animations, but we'll stick to the basics in this video. I wanted to show you how you can reset a keyframe to the original parameter as well. Like if I wanted the 200% scaling to go back to its original size, which was 100%, I can simply click this arrow button while I'm on the changed keyframe, which will reset the slogan back to the original parameter. From here, with your new keyframing knowledge, I suggest continuing on to this playlist for more video editing tips and tricks specific to keyframes. I'll see you there.